Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in the screen. From the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then you can see English as in your language. Click on it, then this type of drop down menu will appear. Choose the language in which you want to change. Then Interactive Broker language will be changed. This is how you can change your language in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.